Today I thought I'd share with you how you can make your very own potato chips at home. I am using Yukon Gold potatoes for these. However, you can use white potatoes on hand, and I use my mandolin to thinly slice them just to give it a very nice uniform look, but you can slice them by hand as well. I heated up the deep fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I waited till it was super hot, and you can tell that my oil is brand new. I hadn't used my deep fryer in years, but I just thought I'll fill it up and make it. You do not need to heat your oil in a deep fryer. You most certainly can use a pot on your stove, or even a frying pan, and fill it up with a nice amount of oil, heat it up nicely, and then do this same trick that I'm doing here. You want to be able to watch them closely while you're doing this. It takes a little time, and you have to flip them here and there till they're golden. You will be able to tell when they're done. It probably takes about a minute or so, a minute and a half, till they're nice and crispy. Once you're satisfied with the way they look, don't let them overcook because then they get burnt. You want to lift them up, let some of the oil drain, set up on the side a cookie sheet, probably is best, with a nice paper towel laid out across so that it absorbs some of the oil that's going to come off your potato chip. Shake off any excess oil and then transfer your potato chips and lay them out nice and evenly on the paper towel, because what you're going to do next is take a very small amount of salt in between your fingers and kind of crush the salt back and forth. I am using a kosher sea salt for the seasoning, and you don't want to put too much, otherwise your potato chips are going to be super salty. So a very small amount goes a long way, and be very diligent, kind of just sprinkling them over, and then you can even taste them. And then you can enjoy some homemade potato chips, and I promise you, you are going to be like, oh my goodness, why am I buying store-bought potato chips after you taste these? Until next time, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this very simple DIY. Bye for now.